Vogue, it's Pharrell. We're here in Paris. We're in my design studio. As you can hear in the background, and you'll see, there's people doing things here like it's on fire. This is my beehive, and look, it takes all kinds of bees to make the sweetest honey. It's the countdown before my first menswear collection. And it's menswear, but like I designed for like humans, so it's something for everybody in it. So just get ready. See, that's so much better. The way that I feel right now, I don't have any nerves at all. And I think that's because my spirit is so electrified with excitement. I don't have the room for the nerves. And I also know like I have the most amazing scaffolding of having the greatest master artisans to work with in every department and category. Like they're all the greatest. So like, I'm gonna show you, first of all, the Speedy, one of the things I wanted to do when I got here. If you notice, like Speedies never collapse like this. That's because they're usually made with a treated canvas. But this is a super duper duper soft leather. As you can see, like you can pinch it. You're gonna have to pay for it too though. This is like one of my favorites, and you guys are gonna see with the campaign that we went absolutely crazy. Yeah! You know, making sure it was the most buttery, softest, crushed leather we could find. Even collaborated with Virgil and Spirit. That's our brother, you know? And it's a program, right? So it's starting here, but then like when you see where it's gonna evolve in the seasons to come. This is like, you know, obviously with the damier print, like damier, as you're gonna see, is a huge push for me. It pops up here and there, but it doesn't get celebrated enough to like explore it as a platform. And we're gonna do that. Like we're gonna use the damier chessboard pattern as a basis and a template to like really get really creative with the squares as pixelation. And then we did that with what we call a camouflage. All of my success could be attributed to my work, but really my work was just a contribution to a greater vision that the universe had for me. There's so many other stars in your constellation. Once you realize that, you realize that the constellation is not even your doing. You're just lucky to exist, to shine in that moment where the universe has put these other things around you to make a sign. That is how I felt with this appointment. I woke up and I got that call. So I'm honored. You'll never see me be, you know, beating on my chest or patting my back. If anything, I'm just continuing to give reverence to the universe for sending this my way. Thanks for stopping by today, Vogue. Be sure to check out the new collection. I got the Fires team. Thank you. Bye.